Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today is another special unboxing from the Chanel Fall Winter 2021 collection. So basically this is something that I saw actually weeks ago when I was in Ireland in the summer when it had first launched, and we were in Ireland in Dublin and it was downpouring rain, so we went into the Chanel and we saw something there where my best friend and I were like, oh my gosh, we need this. Unfortunately, they did not have our sizes at that time, and basically we just said, okay, well, you know, maybe they'll have them in Dubai in a few months. So lo and behold, my sales associate here in Dubai, she calls me and says, Crystal, we actually have your size 39 and a half available. So I went there. If you have any guesses, obviously it's clearly a shoe, but a special shoe. So I'm just gonna show you exactly what this is. So this is the receipt. Now, the annoying thing is my husband actually got these for me, and we found out that, he just traveled the other day, that you could actually get the exact same pair of boots for quite a lot less, actually a couple $100 less at the duty free in Dubai. So, I mean, obviously, you know, I just didn't expect that they would have them. So of course he sent me a picture and it's like, oh, I could have got these less, but anyways, what to do? I got them now. So anyways, here it is, the big box. Now it does look like a big handbag box, but in fact it is not. So I'm gonna do my unboxing here and see what exactly it is. Now, the thing is, when I put these on, I was hoping they wouldn't fit because they are a pricey purchase. I thought, you know, maybe they aren't gonna fit, and that's okay if they don't. I'll put the money towards something else. But of course, when I put them on, they actually fit like a glove and were so comfortable and literally so amazing. Okay, there's the little authenticity card. This is what you carry the boots in. So when I travel and I go back to Canada or wherever, you'll cover them in the dust bags, like so. And here they are, guys. The one and only. Look at these sick boots. These are insane, aren't they? I am not usually a boot person because obviously I live in Dubai. All I wear is, you know, basically just slippers. And when I say slippers, I mean like the sandals. I wear obviously high heels, stilettos. Boots are not something that would come to mind, but you know what? These are so freaking cool. They're so amazing. You can dress these up actually with a black dress. You could wear a skirt and blazer. You could just wear skinny tight pants. They are just so amazing. So you'll see the toe. These are the full black leather, but the toe has a bit darker shade. I just love them. I could not think of a more stylish, amazing fall boot. So I actually had the girl there. I wanted her to lace these up a specific way, kind of the way they had on the mannequin. So she took some time and did that for me. And yeah, this is it. So I don't know what more else I can say about these awesome boots, except I had to have them. I love them. These boots are gonna last me forever. I will be 80 years old and probably wearing these boots, okay? Like, these will never go out of style. They're just classic Chanel, amazing, right? Like, the gold. So let me just show how one of them works. Put this back. You have to actually take it off. So they have the stuffing. So it goes like that. Put them on. They're just so amazing. I love them. I freaking love them. It's rare sometimes you buy a luxury purchase where you don't sometimes just buy it and you're like, oh, what did I get that for? You know, that does happen sometimes. But even though these were quite pricey for, you know, a boot, technically they're just leather boots with, you know, a Chanel label. It's just, there's something so authentic and so just Chanel about them. I just feel they're so chic, and this is what I envision myself when I go back to Paris, even hopefully next year, wearing these boots, you know? I see it. So yeah, I don't know, guys. Is it all in my head? But tell me, what do you think? I mean, are these a must-have, or they have, you know, they had the white ones, which were also beautiful, and they're white cream. They have the tweed, which is also amazing. But for me, I like understated, chic, you know, neutrals, which I know black isn't necessarily neutral, but is black neutral? Someone, can you correct me on that? I'll have to Google that after. But I think black's pretty neutral, right? It's just my color, as you can tell. I just love black. So anyway, they feel incredible. So it is the lamb skin, so you do have to protect these, and I'm probably not going to want to wear these in rain or snow. So it's more or less dry weather still, because you don't want them to get ruined. But yeah, guys, here they are in all their amazingness. Chanel. And yeah, let me know, guys, if you have any other questions. And thank you for watching this video.